In his question without notice to the Health Minister, Abau MP Dr. Puka Temu highlighted the importance of the ambulance service in the country. However, no funding has been allocated for St. John's Ambulance under this year's budget. The Abau MP says this will affect their operations in the country.
The last 2 quarters of 2021, worth about 2.75 million, has not been received yet by the St. John Ambulance. So today, Mr. Deputy Speaker, they have no money for fuel for ambulances. This fortnight, the 120 staff of St. John Ambulance will not be paid.
According to the former Health Minister, the St. John Ambulance was first established in the country over 60 years ago. Over the years, they have been operating under a memorandum of agreement with the government and receives annual grants from the Health Department. However, this may have changed due to changes in leadership. The former Health Minister says the St. John Ambulance has served the country well through their ambulance services and deserves government support. He further questioned why they were not funded under the 2022 national budget.
With the current leadership in St. John Ambulance, during APEC and during the COVID crisis, I think all the honourable members of the Honourable House will agree that the St. John Ambulance has performed extremely well and therefore deserves the support of this Honourable House, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Mr. Speaker, and so I'm asking the Minister, can you explain to the House and the people why did St. John Ambulance did not get appropriation for 2022, so how will they operate?
Health Minster Jelta Wong in his response says funds are allocated for the ambulance service. However, there are government processes that they must follow, and that is to present their acquittals to the government.
The reason our Prime Minister gave 1 million last year has committed 1 million to St. John's Ambulance. So the money is there for them to take. But we have process within our government systems where they have to follow acquittals. So these acquittals that they have come, I've had meetings with St. John's on many occasions, and I've asked them to get their proper acquittals to do, because I am responsible for the money that is given to them.
The Health Minister further adding that they are in constant dialogue with the ambulance service to find a better way forward.
So there was a special intervention program that will go into St. John's and will correct some of the things. But in all this, every company that comes through the government has to follow process. And we are working very hard with St. John's to ensure that that process is fulfilled.
Rayon Lakingu National, EMTV News.